Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences. Finally, click on Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to Use Print Service. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Service. From here, you need to install the best one for your printer, in my case HP one. When your app is ready, click on the back button twice. Then just click on your service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!